you ever met someone who instantly makes you feel comfortable? It's not magic, it's psychology. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful psychological tricks to make anyone like you. These are backed by science and used by great communicators worldwide. So let's dive in. Trick number 1, mirroring. People like others who are similar to them. One way to create this connection is by mirroring their body language. Subtly copy their posture, hand gestures, and even their tone of voice. It makes them feel understood, and they won't even realize why. Trick number 2, using their name. Everyone loves hearing their own name. Studies show that using a person's name in conversation activates positive brain responses. So next time you meet someone, say their name naturally a few times. It builds instant rapport. Trick number 3, the power of nodding. This is a simple but powerful trick. When you nod while talking, people unconsciously start to agree with you. It signals that you are confident, trustworthy, and persuasive. Try it next time you're making a point. Trick number 4, giving genuine compliments. A well-placed compliment can make anyone feel good, but here's the key. It has to be genuine. Instead of saying, "You're smart," try, "I admire how you think through problems." The more specific the compliment, the more memorable it is. Trick number 5, let them talk about themselves. People love talking about themselves. In fact, brain scans show that speaking about personal experiences releases dopamine, the feel-good hormone. So instead of talking about yourself, ask open-ended questions. Let them share their thoughts, and they'll love being around you. Now that you know these tricks, which one will you try first? Comment below and let me know. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more psychology facts every week. See you in the next video.